Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be eating some spaghetti that my lovely boyfriend made for me. I don't have any bread. I don't have any garlic bread, so I didn't buy none. I didn't want to go to the store. I don't care. As you see, look at that. Look at it. Look at it. He does make it a bit different, but at the end of the day, it's still good. I think it's supposed to. Oh no, I didn't. I'm trying out this microphone. I don't know if it works or not, but I think it's cool. It ain't stinger. Mm, it's good. I like it. I fucks with it. It's amazing. There's some good stuff right here. I got some orange juice on the side. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I just thought about it's about to be a new year. I do have plans for, the New Year's. No, not New Year's. I do have plans for the new year. Um, but I'm gonna just keep them to myself, and yeah, and I'm gonna just try it, and I'm gonna just strive. I'm gonna just go after it. Mm, it's so good. He's making spaghetti for me for the rest of his life, and he knows that. He knows that. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I don't need no garlic bread. It would be nice though. Ooh, some Texas Roadhouse bread. That's what I'm. I should have saved this for work too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so full. I'm so. Thank you guys so much for watching the channel. Um, just like and subscribe. I'm